close. They're close.
Well, we're gonna run all of them once today. We ran Brady's twice because they weren't sure if they had a good time on it.
How about mine?
Only once today. Then we'll set up a bracket with it.
Hey.
Only
Yeah,
once
I think
today.
mine was
Who's is
faster.
left? So we need Alex and we need
Alex.
Ramon. Is yours ready to go or no? Close to ready to go?
Mr. Olson, was that time better for me?
Oh, it's you.
Yeah, we'll run yours tomorrow. We'll run Alex's by itself. Get a double time on it.
We're done.
Ramon's will be ready to go. We'll have his go.
We're done.
What's that?
We're done.
No, we got Alex's yet, don't we?
Where is it?
Yeah.
Alex. Here, Evan, give us Alex's car. Evan.
No, I'm not.
Give us Alex's car. Hey, Evan, we need Alex's car.
Well, you gotta put in your stairs.
Hey, Steven, get a CO2.
Wait a minute, wait, before we do it. My side shield, stop.
So Ramon, we'll run yours. What do you have next class period?
I have.
German.
I'm just doing Alex's by itself.
Can you speak German already?
Wait.
I can.
Are we doing Alex's alone?
Okay, so we're gonna get 2 clocks on 1 car. We'll run Ramon's next period. You guys ready down there? Ready, set.
We're done.
This and not take it out.
Yeah, you might be able to. So
We're
Ramon,
done.
Are we done for the day?
Okay, so I want you to quietly head down to the classroom.